Hi and welcome to my YouTube. This is Sara and I'm going to share with you today how you can earn money with Google News. I'm here to share with you a faceless or with face YouTube channel idea. There are different ways to earn money through Google News, but I will only talk about making money with YouTube using ChatGPT. Let me show you the whole process without wasting your time. You need to open Google News in your mobile phone or desktop. You will find different categories here. I'm going to choose technology because, as we know, technology is a trending topic always. You will find subcategories here, and now I'm going to choose artificial intelligence. As we know, everyone is talking about AI nowadays. Once you click on artificial intelligence, you will find different news about AI. Keep scrolling until you find something good, something which you think is worth making a video. I will show you the process how you can do some research for finding some interesting news. I find this news interesting. Self-made millionaire AI will be the biggest wealth creator in history. So once you choose any news, what you have to do is you need to copy the text. Make sure you copy the whole text, and once copied, the next step would be to summarize this in ChatGPT. Before starting the next step, let me show you how you can make sure if it's worth making a video on the article you have chosen. You need to open YouTube and paste the title of the news you have chosen to make a video on. I have done the same, and you will see YouTube will show you the related results. This video here has 1.2 million views and the title is How to Get Rich with AI. This video is related to what I have typed, I have pasted in my search bar. So the next one is Get Rich in the AI Revolution. This video again is related to the news I have chosen to make a video on. Once you make sure that the news you have chosen to make a video on is a perfect choice, then comes the next step to edit the article, the news in ChatGPT. ChatGPT will help you in summarizing the article and also giving you the main points of the article. Next, you need to open ChatGPT in your mobile phone or desktop and type, please summarize the article, and then you have to paste the whole article which you have copied from the Google News. You will see how quickly the ChatGPT will give you the results. ChatGPT will summarize you the whole article in seconds. You can ask ChatGPT to give you the main points for the article. For this, you have to type, please write the main points of the article. And like before, again, you have to paste the whole article here, and you will see how quickly ChatGPT is giving you the results. I would suggest you to regenerate the response from ChatGPT because many YouTubers who are using ChatGPT might use the same response in their video. So it's a good idea to regenerate response and choose from other responses. The results which ChatGPT gives you, don't use it as it is, but check for plagiarism. There are many free and paid plagiarism checkers. These ones are my favorite. I mostly use grammarly.com for myself. You can use any of your choice. Once your text is ready, it's your choice how you make the video. If you want to show your face, that's okay. But if you don't want to show your face, then you can make it a faceless video. I will suggest you to use pexels.com for free videos which you can use in your YouTube video. If you don't want to show your face in your YouTube channel or in your YouTube video, you can make a faceless YouTube video. Open Pexels and type artificial intelligence. Here, now click on videos and from filters choose horizontal because it's a YouTube video. Then you will find the results here. Keep looking and keep scrolling until you find the ones you need, and just download the free videos from here and use it in your video. You're now ready to make a video and start earning. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe for more learning and earning videos. Look after yourself and other people around you. Bye.